Yes, now you lot, I'm finally back home. I've been working away for 2.5 weeks or so, and I've been itching to go cold start my car. So let's go cold start the car after 2 weeks of not even having the engine running. Let's get to it. Right, let's get to it. I may have parked in a bush, but oh well. I actually love this car. I need fuel. Guitar. This is the damage that was caused the other day by that idiot. We'll get it sorted eventually though. But for now, I'll let it warm up and take out for a rip.